Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
And before we get talking about nerve cells, I wanted to follow up on a question that was asked yesterday.
Sisa zanda wanze tabung kola lobje chia ngoma zu wengela khasang kwesha gyo thewa chik la le jegins.
And the question that was asked is what happens if you stimulate or destroy the area of the brain called the amygdala?
Sisa tanda kamzik le issues ya ge lebe ki ne de mewa sewa da yam mena kirang ki kuje tang bin bena kharchig re se ya de thewa res.
Studies that have been done have actually placed an electrode into the amygdala and stimulated with electrical current.
Sisa da tanda kamzik le issues ya dik nanglo la ani lo ki ne de zu che ani lo tang che ani kuma che ki ta che de ne chi yo res.
And also, there are human studies where patients have the amygdala destroyed, and the behavior has been observed after that destruction of the amygdala.
Tiga nashi ani neba den de nanglo la ani kamzik le issue thola chimba da ya mena ani thola tang che mewa so che ani DJ la ani midi ke ani chebal jo khan stu du den de te den de chung yo res.
And as you might expect, you get opposite behavioral effects, whether you stimulate the amygdala or you remove the amygdala.
Cheta kamzik le issue se di ani kuma chewa kaps da ya mena di kamzik le issue ko we kaps la ani shiju nanglo la manda wa thong yo res.
So stimulation of the amygdala actually causes increased aggression. So animals become very violent and can actually attack.
Kamzik le issue kuma chewa kaps la ani cheba zubu cha yung yo res simjen den so ani ngarbu che ani chik so ya le ya da den yung yo res.
And you get just the opposite effects when the amygdala is destroyed. There's no longer any fear and there's no longer aggression. Aggression is reduced.
Cheza ani kamzik le issue ko we kaps la dile do we cheba yung yo res ani khongro se mewa da ani ta den yung yo res.
But what's also very interesting about in humans when the amygdala is destroyed is that people have trouble, not only is their own aggression reduced, they have difficulty interpreting aggression of other people. They don't recognize aggression. They don't recognize fear.
Cheza da kamzik le issue ko we kaps la ani yam sem baji khari yung yo res la wen bena ani susu rani khongro se mewa me khoya mewa chawa nangshi ani mi shemba la ani khondro se de khandis yungu me da khondro se din deshe ya thugiyo mares mi khondro sawa di ha kugiyo mares.
So I hope that explains some of the functions of the amygdala. And again, the amygdala is connected, as we've discussed from day one, is that for all of these complex behaviors, it's not just one area, but it's the brain circuits that are involved in complex behavior.
Cheza dele samba da dig to ne kamzik le issue se di ke ani chele khashish dusma ani stadium che to be ki rewa chi gyostan nima thangmo ne lawa nangshi ani lebe ki chashi dinzo ani chera ba chi ki ani rawang to le ga chi din chi me sangma ani pazon tu je ani ta nyamdil to ne ani le ga chi de che yores.
So what we've discussed in the first few days is mainly what the brain looks like, the what of the brain.
Cheza da nima thangbo khashish din nanglo la ngajo leba se duste kaps la ani khandis thongu yeme di gol ani so ke je she yores.
And it's basically just memorization of what part is what and what part is connected to another part. It's just memorization. It doesn't tell us anything about how the brain works. Today we're going to talk about how the brain works.
Cheza da dinzo leba se de khandis yores ke je shidu sambala ani lebe ki ne manda dinzo da ne manda dinzo penju tu khandis thep de gyeme dinzo kola ngado yoya samchi ma do be shimba legas ke yo mares cheza de la sambala lebe ki lega chidang kola ke je
And I believe in the first week before I arrived, you talked about different cells that are found in human tissue. In fact, around the room, I see some examples. Like on the back wall, there are examples of different cells from different types of tissue. Fat cells, muscle cells, and nerve cells I see in the bottom left-hand corner as well.
Teza ane tus gabl ma devi mena tanda ane mi ki tanda chabung ki rig manda khar yome dinzo ane remote duas ta pena lo devi mena ta shaju ki chabung da tigana shi ane chika sisha ki chabung tigana shi ta digi wo ki sur yendel devi mena ane tanda wangse chabung ki ane part remote duas.
And just as different cells from different tissue have different structures, cells in the nervous system also have different shapes and sizes.
chesa da ngazu subo khna lo la ani jik thanda pungrup grik mandaw mangbu yowa dinzu la dinzu khna lo la ani thabung grik ip mandaw yowa nangshi ta ngazu lebe khna lo la ya ani wangse thabung dinzu khonso ip manda yundi yores.
And the shape actually follows function, or function follows shape.
chesa da ip khandes yong ma yong se adi ani chilela dewa yu dewa chag yores.
Nerve cells that when you're born, as I mentioned, you have 100 billion nerve cells. Those 100 billion nerve cells are the same nerve cells that you have today.
chesa da kiran su nge dingul shev na shi kiran su kewe kapsla ani lebe knanglo la ani wangse thabung thirbum gya thamba yores. ani thanda ya ani kiran knanglo la thirbum gya thamba yore ani yowa de ma kewe ke en thabung ni zoranja chadi yores.
In general, nerve cells don't regenerate.
Kiyong to ne ani wangse thabung se adi ani sar du ching mares.
And it was up until maybe 15 or 20 years ago that we thought that when you're born, you have the entire set of nerve cells that you'll have your entire life. More recently, it's been found that there's a couple areas of the brain that do generate nerve cells, but it's a lot fewer nerve cells are born than are actually lost as you grow older.
chesa da lo ni shu sunga la me zu kar du yores la bim na lebe nanglo wangse thabung de zo kewa ne che ani shishi padula ani thanga khar yowa dine ma nyun re mi sawa che mewa du res imbena ta ni du ke ani ta je khashe nanglo la lebe ke ani ne chira ba khashe ke nanglo la ani wangse thabung kashik ani sar du kewa dine yung thubu yores imbena kiyon ton ke je she yung du zambala ani chik lo ger ro du zambala wangse thabung sar du cheya ke tse da shin roya ke tse dorbi mana shin roya ke tse di ani ma yores.
So unlike cells in your skin that die and new skin cells grow, that's not what happens in the brain. Nerve cells do not regrow if they're injured.
chesa dela sambala nganzo pakbe ki thabung do shimbe na pakbe thabung do shigi sawa sugu chigrowa chesa da dele do je ani nganzo wangse ki ani thabung denzo ani sawa sugu yo mares ngema yo de shigi chi ta zo du yores.
And just some examples of the different parts of the brain where these examples are shown. This particular cell type is found in the cerebral cortex, that outside layer of the brain.
chesa da de nalo wangse thabung ki manda mangbo shten do chesa denzo ani lebe ki ne manda la nye de wa chag yores ta di sur do shimbe na dezo chi nganzo lebe ki chishun ki nalo la ani thoya yobe ki thabung ki rik chag yores.
In fact, this one is from the cortex, this one is from the cortex, and this one is also from the cortex.
chesa dhana shi ani rik dire dhana shi dire ani denzo ani tanda chishun ni yores.
And this one is from the hippocampus of the brain, which is that area that helps form new memories.
chesa ta di thabung dezo kawa yores la na lebek nanglo tanda choda ma se chashe ju yores chesa di nanglo la ni re choda ma se lebek chashe di ani themba ke la ani lega che ni kne che yores.
And I believe this one is from the cerebellum, that back part of the brain involved with balance and posture.
chesa ta this one
Yeah.
ta just di ge ani thabung dezo tanda ani lechung se do cerebellum la chesa di nanglo yores chesa di nanglo lebek chashe di ani chik ngazo subu thonyam bek ta tangjin che dezo krila dewa yung di yores.
And next one. And although nerve cells have different shapes, they do still have the basic structure. They all have the same structure, although the shape is different.
chesa da dende ke wangze ke thabung dezo su ke ani thumu ma imbe ke ani ib ke rodang yobi bena an sawe kim kchan te yung zambala ani khonsu ko rodang de ani ib ko rodang de chingzung do yores.
And the basic parts of a nerve cell there are four basic parts. There are dendrites that receive information from other nerve cells.
chesa da wangze thabung do ste yung zambala ko sawe ke chane ani chashe kecha hiores dinanglo ne chik tanda ani dale zanchen se ya chido chesa di khares la bena thabung shimba ne chu ani neju lengkin ki ani chashe de chag yores.
And all along the dendrites are small proteins which receive messages from other nerve cells. There's thousands of contacts that receive messages, and we'll talk about how that's done in a short time.
Chesa ta dinde ki ane thanda dalen zante rig mangbo shiush do kha tham di denzo re re ne la ane so ki thumu mai be ki chele chen ki ane trigger den yores chesa trigger denzo ki kharchi res la na kora ane thuse ki onze thabun shen so ane nezu lengi yores chesa ta di tunzam la ane da len thang da to dan di jela nga ke je shi res.
And these dendrites then send information to another part of a nerve cell called the cell body.
Chesa dalen zante ne chu lewe ki nezu denzo ane khawa yung yores la be na ane thabun onze thabun ki ane chashe tan da thabun ki suk sia di ne de la yung yores.
And inside of the cell body is the area called the nucleus, which is found in all cells. And it is in the middle, it's not in the middle, but it's inside of the cell body, the nucleus.
Chesa da onze thabun ki suk sia dik nanglo la ane khari yores la be na onze thabun ki tedu sia di yores chesa tedu sia di ane thabun pheche be nanglo thoya yobe ke chashe shadi yoros.
And the nucleus contains the DNA, the coding for the cell.
Chesa da tedu nanglo khayi yores la be na DNA sia di yores chesa da di ane thabun di ki thubje ke da nezu nyarsa chesa da chai yorwa.
The cell body is connected to a fiber called the axon.
Chesa ta thabung ki suk dine ma ane khat yu yores la be na ane lok tha do thak gubash du yores chesa dik mingla khal le salam na ane da ge zan den sig yores da pa chinge.
And the axon then branches into terminals.
Chesa da ge zan den de ki ane ne den zo la khar cha du yores la be na ane thunzam sia ki ane chashi chunju din de yores ya.
So the four main parts again are dendrites, cell body, axon, and axon terminals.
Chesa da chashi ke che shu som di shi di khares la be na ane dalen zan den che thabung ki suk che ane da ge zan den che ane shiwa de da ge zan den ki ne la yobe ki ta wanze thunzam ki ne sig da di chag yores.
And these axon terminals then can make contacts with glands, with muscles, or with other nerve cells.
Cha wanze kan thunzam ki ne den zo ane khawa la thu res la be na ane so su ki ane chawa ku se ki ane yu ki ne khari imbe pecha chane shaju imbe ne re tanda glan le du samba membu lai do chisa ane dawal imbe ne re ta ko ne khawa thu gu yu na del thu res.
And the fascinating thing about nerve cells is they're like little batteries in that they're electrically excitable.
Chesa da wanze thabung ne ju thole ha sa go che khari yores la be na kunzo dos chi du samba lok me chunju da battery lai do lok me chunju ne do res chesa kunzo ane lok ku je lok ki ane chawa ku thobya ki ane ne ba yode wa chag yores.
And we'll soon explain how that electricity is set up and how an electrical message can be sent from one side of a nerve cell to another side of a nerve cell.
Chesa ta lok ki ne ju chi ki ane kuma che da te na shi wanze thabung ki ne chi ne ane ne shambala ane lok dan jin de khandes tu me de jel shi res.
But first I want to talk a little bit more about different types of nerve cells.
Tamungela ane ta wanze thabung rig manda khar khar me kol khashi shi of samsung.
These are the ones that we usually see. You'll see these in textbooks. But there are other types of nerve cells as well.
Chesa da wanze thabung rig den zo ane namju ngon zo lob deb den zo na yong da thong de ki I chag yores chesa de mahim ba shamba de yores.
And this is a classic example of what's called a multipolar neuron because it has multiple dendrites attached to the cell body.
Chesa da de ki thabung rig den zo la ane namju ne ane nemang ki ane wanze thabung sig yores. Nemang ser go ya gyumsen khares la bim na ane thabung ki suk dik nel te bim na ane da sul lense ki ne di ane mangbu shu ju di yores.
This one's called a unipolar neuron because it just has one extension from the cell body. So it's called a unipolar neuron.
Chesa da de ane wanze thabung ne jik ba sig yores khachin la bim na ane de ne thabung ki suk ne so ne su lensa di ane chik mi shi yo mares.
And this one is called a bipolar neuron, bi meaning two, because it has two extensions from the cell body.
Chesa da thabung rig den zo la ane ne ni yo be wanze thabung sig yores khachin la bim na wanze ke thabung ki suk te bim na ane de ne zu yung sa ni yores.
But even though they have different shapes, they're all electrically responsive.
Chesa da khonzo ane ib da cha go manda ba yo bim na ane khonzo sangme ke lo ke danti ane tongle che thobya ki ane ne ba yo cha di yores.
So this classification of nerve cells is based on what they look like.
Da dende ki ane wanze ke thabung ye wa che da de ani shi khawal shar islam bena akona su te kapsula ani thona mandaw ib mandaw dilate ni shagures.
And another way to classify neurons is based on what they do instead of what they look like.
So there on the tamungi yewa chetan shimbaji khande sigres labe bena ani khonsu dos te du zamba khande thongu yeme dil shimasha che chele gchane ya shaya chig yongiyores.
So based on what they do, nerve cells can be divided into three different groups: sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neurons.
Teza koranzo chele gchane ya shewa sum che du res chigdi khares labe bena ane sorje ki wangza sia chigda ane shemba di ane phanne wangza sia sumba di ane yongu da kugyu ki wangza sia ju resta.
So sensory neurons bring information from our senses into the central nervous system.
Teza da sorje wangza denzu ki chawa khares labe bena ane chi ane ta ta thonga ne thu ne ane neju su lemba di ya u wangze malal taya di chagi yores.
And motor neurons send information from the central nervous system out to muscles or glands.
Tikana chitang yungu wanze gugyu wanze mala ki ane legat khares labem bena u wanze mala ne ane neju ma ane ta pakwa da shagula so ta chagi yores.
And the third type, an interneuron, are neurons in between sensory neurons and motor neurons.
China ta phane ki wanza sia ane deje sumba de khares labem bena ane ta gugyu wanza da ane chorji wanza ni ki ane phal so the
interneurons are the ones that are found in the central nervous system. So do you remember when we did the knee-jerk reflex? We have a blue neuron, a red neuron, and a green neuron.
And
one thing that we didn't talk about when we did the reflex is that the reflex actually sends signals to two muscles of the leg. One muscle to contract and the other muscle to relax. That way the leg can kick.
Digapsla ane shagyu nanglo landroni ki ane wanze tabun da rosa ni yo digi restik ane shagyu gang landroya che di shagyu de khum jo ke chawa che ya chigda ane chig shagyu ko wal droya di da ane di ge ane shagyu di ane hlo de ta ya ki ane chawa chig yo res che da di ko ne ane chawa chig dus kang ba yug droya yung yo ros.
So in this picture, which is the sensory neuron, the blue one, the green one, or the red one?
Chizata pa del teng du zambala ane surji kwanza de ane ngombo mau jangu sumne khandi re dos chiwa re da blue
one. So the blue one is a sensory neuron because it's bringing information from the sensory system into the central nervous system.
Chiza surji wanze chawa khare la son thanji ane luine ya wanze malal ta u wanze malal ta ya sero chiza da de do ti ro.
And then the motor neuron would be which color?
Gugyu wanza khare khado khardu red.
The red one. And then the interneuron would be the
green. Phanne di green.
The green one, right. And if you look at this circuitry, you see something very interesting in that the sensory neuron actually makes direct contact with a motor neuron, going to the muscle that contracts.
Chezata de do digi any circuit ladu zambala loglam seiro ta dalam dinangol debi bena ane surge wangsa di dine do chinche ane lamga ji del chindo cheta del zambala din gugi wangsa ro gugi wangsa la thega the de tuk do cheta de tuk se gugi wangsa de khares dulana shagyu su khum gyunye ki ane gugi wangsa de dos.
But that same neuron makes contact with an interneuron, which then connects to a different muscle that actually relaxes this muscle.
Teganashi and the surgi wanza the dos chinche and the quantu de Yerusalena and Paneg wanza lion to the Yeres. Paneg wanza di and the quantu de Yerusalena young Gugu wanza Shembajil Tuje, Guzu wants the Diki Chawadi Karchi Yerusalamena and Shaguso Kumguek Chawadi Chigdoas.
So these two muscles are working in opposition.
Chazadilla Zambala and Shaju Dini and Legachadi and Dojore doas.
Why is that important?
Kajin Kachimores Dojo Igua Yumze.
What would happen if both muscles contracted?
아 you cannot extend.
You couldn't extend because both muscles are working in opposite directions. So if they both contracted, you wouldn't be able to move.
그래서 아니 구교 땅올라 아니 샤규디니 도저 차와체오도 도스 마텐 심바 닝가 콤소나 야 딘데치미 융구마라 구교 땅 말레스.
Next one. This diagram and the next one are the very basics about how the electricity in the nervous system is generated.
그래서 다 디기 안에 단다 쇼응이 됐다 안에 쇼응이 게마디니 나롤 카텐 요르슬라비 메나 단다 원세 말락 나롤라 안에 원세 타붕 규네 안에 로키 단팅 조다 안에 다 망시도 띵고 요레스.
So you learned in the first week in the biology that all cells have a membrane.
그래서 다 단다 쟁우리 그렇게 로 진데 나롤라 케라 타붕이 진제라 안에 빠과 요레스 라스와스.
In the neuron, it's a bilayer of lipid or fat.
그래서 다 원세 타붕 나롤라 안에 디기 안에 빠과 디 카르차 디르슬라나 안에 빠과 림바니 요와 데레 안에 실룩 톱디베키 안에 빠과 림바니 요니 요레스.
And in that layer of the membrane, there are channels, which are actually pores or holes that allow chemicals to go back and forth to the outside and the inside of the nerve cell.
그래서 빠과 딘조그 나롤라 아니 돌럼 춘주 야면은 부구 춘주 데데 요레스. 부구 딘조그 규네 안에 따첼다 나알마 안에 따 단다 안에 제든조 야만 도세 킬람가 차디 요레스.
And the essential and the most important electrically charged ions that generate this electricity are potassium and sodium. They're ions, they're electrically charged chemicals.
그래서 다 단다 원세기 빠베기 지나나로 유베기 아니 듀든조 나로네 로키 아니 쿨 유베기 제듀 아니 개체슈든조 카르차기 요르슬라비메나 아니 포타시움 라이데다 아니 소디움 라이데 차기 요레스.
Also embedded in the membrane is a pump that uses energy. And what this pump does is from the inside of the nerve cell, it takes out 3 ions of sodium and puts in only 2 ions of potassium.
그래서 안에 딘데기 안에 빠베기 나로 팜스디 삼발이야 텐지기 아니 하다 뉴바시도와 그래서 아니 딘데 요데교 요레스 그래서 다 코요 자와 카르치기 요레슬라비메나 빠베 칠로 요베기 아니 포타시움기 아니 제두니 나로 땅 대가나시 아니 소디움기 제두 숨 아니 칠로 땅 딘데기 라치 요레스.
So if there are forces that are moving out positive ions and leaving less positive ions inside, which side will be more positive than negative?
그래서 다 디기래가 뉴바딜 때네 아니 빠베기 칠로라 아니 제두 그 포탕 마마 빠야다 아니 낭로라 아니 제두 포기 탕가디 아니 용으로 차용도 잠발라 빠베 치나니 팔 도리용도 잠발라 아니 쿠르포다 뎀베기 아니 네디 과샤이레스 outside.
Also, there are large negatively charged proteins inside of the nerve cell, and they can't get out because they're too big.
그래서 대가나시 아니 빠베기 낭로라 차붕기 낭로라 아니 티거인데 봐 티제티도 티거기제 아니 쿠르 모임베케 제두 릭도 드네 망보시고 저레스 그래서 다 콘조 티거인베 겸전 때는 첨부시고 요레 그래서 아니 콩든조 낭로네 마치로 텐투고 마레스 그래서 아니 낭로 쿠르 모 망보차기 요레스.
That also causes the inside of the nerve cell to be more negative relative to the outside.
그래서 디그토네 아니 치나니를 도리운도 잠발라 낭로라 아니 쿠르 모케 아니 셰데 슈크차 차유야디 차요레스.
So this potential difference sets up the entire electrical signal for the nerve cell.
그래서 다 딘데게 아니 치다 나니기 팔라 아니 쿠르 포무기 체버쇼라시도 델라 포텐셜 라이도 그래서 아니 칠레기 아니 뉴톱디 체버침베기 줌젠라 테네 아니 타붕기 나로라 아니 로키 아니 단팅 드야게다 누바 네단데 당 드네 차기 드네 고주요레스.
So if you put an electrode inside of a nerve cell and you measure how much the difference in the electricity, you'll find that inside, relative to the outside of the nerve cell, it's about negative 70 millivolts.
그래서 다 딜라 잠발라 티거지키 티거르데시 원제 타붕지키 아니 치다 낭니 팔라 키라 아니 록 네니 주체 아니 쿠르 포다 모기 체월 가제 쇼르두 테비베나 아니 키라 아니 tabung ki nangla ani khur modi ani ta negative dunju amol di ani digam chi chung yo at ni res.
So when a nerve cell is not doing anything and not sending any signals, the inside is negative relative to the outside.
Teza andila zambala ani wanse ki tabung di ani lega maje ve ne kapsula siamena dandi tangi mewe ki ne kapsula ani chida nani dori ndu zambala khadu mena nangdi ani khur moda chidi ani khur phocha yores.
And the next slide shows it in perhaps a little bit better. So this is how what eventually happens when a nerve cell is at rest.
Teza dila zambada pho thama ta di khartung yores labe mena ani wanse tabung di lega maje ve ki ne kapsula ende cha de yores teza chilo la ani pho ma cha do.
So what you can see here is that what happens is that there's a lot of sodium on the outside, a little bit of potassium. There's potassium on the inside, but just a little bit of sodium. And the difference results in a relative negative charge inside compared to outside.
Teza der da dusha dun zamba lega maje ne kapsula chilo la ani sodium ma do ene nanglo durbi bena nanglo thanda pe dina ya je chix mishimi do ma je chilo de ani potassium de zo ke de zo ani nanglo la ma do chilo nyu do teza dela zamba la ani di ni la chimba du sum tang yo sum lan zamba ma nyu chewa shu du zamba la ku dus leme ki ne kaps dev kapsula ani chilo la ani phok shuk cha phok du ma ya an nanglo la an phok du nyu yo cha yo res.
Now the very interesting thing about these holes, these channels, is that they open and closed based on electricity that travels down the nerve cell.
Teza da denzo ani jego do res la so jego do teza denzo ani khadu go gya da khadu kha che se di khan su tang ji chi yo res la be na ani dik pakwa dik nanglo la tabung khorang nanglo la log danting do man do ki chewa chi yo ta.
And also remember that there's more than just one of each. There's thousands and thousands of these channels all over the membrane.
Teza da beg nanglo la ani thanda jego do dinde ani ni mi chi teme do ina jeta ani wangze tabung ji ki ani pakwe nanglo la dinde tongda mangbo yo res la so.
So what happens when a wave of electricity comes down, it opens the potassium and sodium channels at slightly different times.
Teza da khar yung yo res la na ani pakwe gyune log danting dus ma le yung du sambala ani potassium da ani sodium ki ani go dunzo jego dunzo kha che yung res yimbina tuzo di ngamji chewa yo res.
The first thing that happens is that sodium channels open.
Tangbungela ani sodium ki ani jego dunzo kha che res.
So when sodium channels are open, what happens to the sodium outside?
Teza da sodium ki ani go de che yung du sambala ani chilo ye sodium la kha che res. Come inside.
It comes inside. So when sodium comes inside, what happens to the electrical potential? Does it get more positive or does it get more negative?
Teza da chilo ye ki sodium zu nanglo zu ring res la ro tan nanglo sodium zu du sambala nanglo log khur de lan juwa kha du re pho chai re mo chai re more positive.
More positive. And that's what you see here. So here's minus 70 at rest. When sodium channels open, it gets more positive.
Teza da di log lab do dan de ro log khur che wa chodan ro thambung ye la ani go gya ne lega log danti mando we kaps la ani thabung ki nanglo la log khur di ani na negative dunju re do modern dunju re do teza ina go che wa da lo do ya go zu du zambala ani chilo ye we ki sodium zu nanglo zu ya go zu ro nanglo go zu du zambala kur po di shuk che du ro shuk che chin chi khaze pa do tu la na ani podang sum ju ba do tu dos.
And as more and more sodium channels open, the potential gets more and more positive inside.
Teza da dinde dus loglam go do ya go zu du zambala sodium ki go dun zum kha che go zu re go che go zu du zambala ani mar do du zambala ani sodium mar zu re ani kur de ani cher du dos.
Slightly later, the sodium channels close and potassium channels open.
Teza da dinde tuzu chik le ing du zambala lab de dus tuzu chik le ing du zambala ani sodium ki go dun zo ani ga che ani potassium go de kha che res.
So now with potassium channels open, where does the potassium go?
Teza da potassium ki go de che we bena ani potassium khones du res le du zambala ani nanglo chilo ma tung res. Roalas.
Potassium goes out. So does that make the inside more positive or more negative?
Cheza ta potassium de chilo dudu zambala an dig nanglo la an kur di an po chai re mo chai res.
Positive. Negative.
Negative.
It becomes more negative because we're losing positive ions from the inside. So the inside becomes more negative.
Cheza ane dinam yewe ki ane potassium de chilo dudu zambala ya dig nanglo yewe kur di ane mo she cha chai ro khaji na kuni ninga po imba.
And that's what you see here. Potassium channels are open, so the inside gets more negative because we're losing positive charge.
Cheza ta del sen to shu del le du zambala ya khar chai res la bena potassium khachi du zambala potassium de chilo du zambala ya kur po du ane chung du res. Cheza ma sa go zu do.
And this electrical signal is how signals are sent all the way through all neurons throughout the nervous system.
Cheza ta dinde ane ze dinini yama tönche ane kur cheba roya dila kur cheba do sona ane lok danti chimba sigiro jena dila zambal ta onje ki ane ta mala chazang nanglo la ane lok kur ro ta de chin du yores.
And this is very, very short lasting. The entire action potential is only a few milliseconds in duration.
Cheza ta dinde ki ane lok kur du yan to ro chi ma cha ki dila ane khar sigir sila vena action potential like do nganjo ki chile nutop sirta chile nutop ki ane chungwa chazang chik ane lega cheya la ane karja khashish mishi dugmares millisecond la zambala karja chik ki karja chik ta saya chik go bim bena dig chashi chunjush mishi ane gorgu mares tundu shiu chik na lega che tu yores gorda.
And it's this code, the frequency of spiking and where they happen that results in all of our behavior.
Cheza dile zamata dinde ki ane lok labdi tole chewa du yor tolo yungu do cheza de yungse ki ane leve ki nanglo onse malak nanglo ne khaware do dig to ane de dan jebe ki ta manju ki ta khala lega chitang cheya ki chebar di ane manda yungu yores.
Of course, the big challenge for neuroscience is how do these electrical spikes actually result in who we are?
Cheza dile zambal ta dinde ki ane lok lab juwa chunju dila tene ane nganzo misia de khari me di sangma cheba dik tungu yoro cheza di khandes tungu yore se ya di ane ta wangzi tsiri nanglo la ane thede ya ki tonglen che go ya ki thiwa che yores.
But that's the challenge of neuroscience, is trying to examine how this electrical activity results in the things that we do.
Cheza ta dinde ki ane lok lega chunju jine ane nganzo ki ane laga che de ya ki chawa dunzo sangma ane chawa sangma dinde jigla thu yungu yume di ane thanda wangzi tsiri kangi chag yores.
And the one thing that I've left out is how does an action potential start in the first place?
Cheza ane nge ki thanda dinanglo ma she wachi kharesla na dinde ki ane chile nu do shdo lok lab thangbu ngen la yuya khora thangbu go chu sa de khane chu yume di ane lama swas.
And we'll talk about that on the next slide.
Cheza di je de la lagir das.
Okay, so next one. So what you see on this slide are two nerve cells.
Cheza de te bim bena kera ane onse tabu nin thong tu ya dos.
And this part of nerve cell number 1, what part of the nerve cell are these extensions?
Cheza ta onse tabu thangbu del te bim bena di ki cha den zo khares. Di ki cha she den zo onse tabu ki cha she khare.
Dendrites. They're dendrites. This here is what part of the nerve cell?
Dikhare cell body
Cell body, great.
Tabung ki suk se de re la so dila cell body
Cell body. This extension here would be what?
dine ma ingen dikhare
Axon. And then here would be
Axon terminal.
axon terminal.
digne de la khare tabung tuzam se de okay.
But look, there's a small space between one nerve cell and the second nerve cell. So how can this nerve cell talk to this nerve cell if there's a space between them?
Cheza da dus te be mena di ani tabung di ne de ro cheza di tabung shimba ji ki ani tanda daji zande ro cheza dini zawani thu de so na thu min do cheza ta koni thu yo mar de ni bena ani tabung dini kola chabung del ani keja khandes chi yores.
So this nerve cell is very close but not touching a dendrite of the second nerve cell. So how can this nerve cell talk to nerve cell if there's a space?
Cheza dile de sambala da dine ma yung ki ani chabung di ki ani daje zante ki ne di ani chabung di ki ani dalen zante chi gala tu do yores imbena tu yo ma res cheza tu me vi mena da khandes chi res ma tu wala da khandes ye yores. Silas. So I think it was shown in the class.
Yeah.
Class when the signal came through the axon. At the end of the axon, they throw some chemicals.
Chemicals, that's the answer. Chemicals. Good. So the Einstein group did a good job.
The Kazan, the Einstein, and the Zendi Kunzo, the Labso,
Right. And so that's the answer, is that an electrical signal is generated in this location. It sends that electrical pulse, that action potential, down the axon. When that electrical signal gets to the end, it causes chemicals to come out.
That dig nalola, and Tamunga Chilek in YouTube D. The name of Chilek YouTube Lazamba log lab the Sigurwa, log lab the Dusma Yunche, and Lady Zambala Colleague Lana, and Nedi but let you roa, Nedi Dosa Yomaro, Dosa may do some Nedi Lady Zamba dig Nela Yoveki, any Tom Dinek Nalol, that Zedin in Yadir, Chizaduzuma Lures.
And when those chemicals cross that little tiny space, they get picked up by receptors.
Chezada, the neck tabu del Malaysia, you tabu de any Tomba dinalo laying to Zambala, and tabu Shimba digan Yoveki, any Tanda Nelen tabun say dig and two lingires.
Those receptors cause that ionic change in electrically charged particles, just like we talked about before.
In the second
In the second cell.
Chezada, Nelen tabun the Zoya slapping Bena, and tabun din gan Yoveki, any Dagizan told Yorwa. Cheza Kunzuki, any gan Yoveki, any tabu Ze Lushaveki, Zed and Zuzu, laying to Zambala, that ding on the show and she and Kukarchis Lavin Bena, and Zayama to Zambalaya, the cool poke Mokchewa do you, this is a young dinner roll up the Draguzures.
And there's more than just one. There are thousands of contacts from other cells making contacts at many, many places on a single cell.
Cheza that tabunchi gal the to go ne chicken revers and Maros, Tabun Shimban, so levek, ne Dinzu Samagal, Tabun Shimak to the Rost, Cheza that didn't Tondamangueros.
And they're all sending small electrical signals into the cell body.
Cheza de la Zambala, and Tabun ne Dagis and Dinzu, Dalens and Dinzu Tame Gune, and Tabun Sugdilla, and Lok Kurchu that Chinju Tangiores.
Some of those signals make it more likely that an action potential in the next cell will be released, and some make it more likely that an action potential will be generated in the next cell.
Cheza that dinema and a log lab di any mangush who you the log lab Sameki and a tabungu su dinema drotumiki and a chilek nudub 22 revers lana 22 mares. Cheza imbenata di kashe and a Tobiaki any and Nuba Yungures.
When the total signal from all of those contacts is high enough, then the next cell will also generate an action potential.
Cheza that dila Zambala and a dinesu log lab lewa samki any dinema and a log that angimindos, tangimindos. Imena that dinzo sangman so yumiki and a log cordonzo and a dingation biki and a nezi laying to Zambala and a tabunki and a nedinema and a chilen YouTube lab shimbash tangiores.
So this is the entire basis of information transportation throughout the nervous system.
Cheza tadi onse malaki any ne sangmala yu sangmala ane nezu chetan di those 2 years.
So what kind of energy inside of a nerve cell?
Onse tabung ki nanglo la ane kharik nuba dus. Cheza onde nuba the khari nuba re do. Chile YouTube said nuba ngo khare. Khari lab.
Electrical signals inside of a nerve cell and between nerve cells is what kind of energy?
Ane ta dirda Chabung chiraba chicken ne gone ne pa do du zambala nuba de khading o du res du zambala log nube ngol du res Chabuni ki ching ne chabuni ching do ka sla nuba de khading o du re oh chemical
And that's the basic of neurotransmission.
oh cheza da de zambala wangzi chabung ki da ke ta di dinde da chabung chik na do du zambala log la chabung ching ne shen lan do ka sla ane ze ki nube ngol do di
Some people have the misconception that the electrical signal is the thing that jumps across, but that's not what happens. It is not the electrical signal that jumps across. Rather, it's the electrical signal causes the release of chemicals that are then picked up, that then causes an electrical signal in the next cell.
Kashi kin deshin norwa dine gyasi res, ane tabung dine yung ke, ane lok da de, ane tabung dinan ma du res samya ki, ane dine son chom re samsu di yung si res, she si res, deshi di nov res. Dinen ma lew kapso de pada log lab di de log lab de la tene di ne le yewe ki ene ze din so ma lo yu ya di ze le sha we ki ze di ene thabung di ki ene ne len thabung din so len de lembal tene ya de ne ma log lam to ya di chag yores
And this connection can be with a nerve cell, it could be with a gland, or it can also be a muscle, which also has receptors for the chemicals released from a nerve.
Cheza da danda ani thabung di ne de tusa thabung shimba de khar dos lavi mena ya onze thabung jire do cheza de samo inji mi ji onze thabung yin gu re sla na yin gu ma res di shayu ki thabung ji yin si re pakbe ki thabung ji yin si re ta thabung khaya ro wa ji yin be na thabung di ne khar yor sla me di nang lo la ani ne len thabung yor res so lenge thabung di cheza an del le we ki ze de so lengi res
But if you don't learn anything else from me in these 2 weeks, I hope that you remember this.
Cheza tanda dunda ni nanglo ne nge ma she sha gyo denzo temba je she wa denzo nanglo ne kiran zo temba nanglo je ma de yimbe na ne zu di dewa chiro chesta
Okay, next one. So again, just a little bit of review. We have dendrites, cell body, axon, terminals, and then this is also our insulation.
Cheza da der da charjong ji chibi be na ta len zan den thabung ki su de du da ge zan den ki nemo tuzam an denzo thangma khares lave be na ani silu
And
silu ki pakwa cheza dil example thanda lo denzo lan jik pakwa yo do dinang shin
And what this picture here is a detail of the terminal. So this terminal here is this terminal here.
Cheza da ge zan le dine pe bad la or da silu la de thanda di pakwa yo diler za cheza da di gi nesh do di any chembo so bim na di chai res
Yeah. And so here you can see the terminal here, and then this is the dendrite of the next cell, and there's that space in between the terminal and the dendrite.
cheza da ne de any chembo so na go de so tang yo do do cheza ani go tang gi che and di de la an tong ba de do cheza da di cha de khar res la bim na thabung shemba ji ki ne len thabung
Right. And so as an action potential, the electrical signal comes down the terminal. It causes the chemicals that are kept in small sacs those sacs actually attach to the membrane of the terminal that then open up and release the chemical into that space.
cheza da dine ma do se je chile ni do log da li zamba di ze del li ro di ze level gum ze del khar yor sla na ani pakbo ki phugu chunju din yores dinzo ki nanglo la khar yores la me na ani ze dinzo lu sha yores nya de yores cheza ta yine ma lo level gum ze de ne ani ko kha ke je tor che ani ze dinzo sangma ani di phanjam lo yebe ke tongba di nanglo ma lo sha yores.
And as those chemicals then attach to receptors, almost like a lock and a key, they cause that small ionic change, which then can cause that small signal to go in the next cell.
cheza da dine ma je de ani jer khayla na parjo de la ani wang se thabung shimba ji dalen chan the yoro cheza dalen chan the ne len thabung se de yoro cheza ne len thabung se de kharis la be na ani konja do khu kha da ma da yores ta kha da ma da del den dine ma je ni di yip ma da di dimi do da konja da dimi gyaro na shi ani ko gyar yung do sambala kharchi na tanji ani pakwa nanglo la je ya ma chewa do yoro di chinje ya din nang kharchi re kur pomo ki ani chewa de shukjen do ya dene ma chile ni do sawa ji tungres.
Next one. So we have three different actions for information transfer.
Cheza da ni zu jing ni jing donglen che la ani rimba do sum cha yores.
Here again is our terminal,
Cheza da di tanji da ji zane ne der da ya.
and here is our dendrite with receptors.
Cheza da di ma di cha sang khares la ve na ani thanda dalen zande che dalen zande gangla ani nelen thabung nakbo den zor da.
There are also some additional channels on the terminal.
Cheza ne de la ani khorang tiga na shi ya ma do se gego do shamba den de yores.
And these channels help stop the action of the chemical that was released because they're taken back up into the terminal that released the chemicals in the first place.
Cheza da di lamga di khar phendo yung slabe me na da de tang dewa mai ba da de ani ta ya ko ne ju chi ne gap chi le du sam sam sha ya khares labe me na dene ma je lo sha kyo den zo ko ke le ya ki ani dene ma chile ni dom joya ni ba le sa so na din kiman ha kyo ki ani je lang ma den sang ma dus ya le ki du yores.
So here would be the electrical signal, which causes the sacs containing the neurotransmitters, the gap, the dendrite with receptors, and then here you can see the membrane fuse to this membrane, which then dumps the contents of the chemical out into the space.
Cheza da de dine tanji de chikwa chi ngen tung yoro da dale da gi chan ren ki gyu ne ani chile ni do blog lab yung gi res lo de lab yung we jum zen te ne dinang lo ye we ke ani thanda je den zo ki ani thom ki pakwa den zo ne del man dro ju res cheza da dinang lo ye je den zo wang je ki da ji yin ba song za je den zo ming khala res na wang je timba si res wang je timba cheza da den zo ani dus ma chin je khwa chi la na ne del le je ani jel thang mo tor gu dos torje ani khwa chi res la na ani dini ni phalo ye tong ba dinang lo la wang je timba den zo ma lu res.
But now you have all these chemicals that are acting on the next nerve cell. Somehow you have to stop that action.
Cheza da delazam da del le jam bala onze thabung shimba di gang la ani laga che chunye ke ani onze timba ani je mangbush le swas onze thabung shimba di gang laga che chunye ke ani timba je mangbush le swas.
And there's three ways where this action can be stopped.
Cheza da di ke ani laga che de di ani kaya la ani lamga sum yores.
And if we go to the next one, these are the three ways that the action can be stopped. The first one is reuptake. So after the chemicals are released, they can be taken back up into the terminal that released them.
Cheza ani ne la tanji ani jego do manda ka shimba yores la so cheza dil sambal ta ka tanji khares la be na dinanglo ma le sa we ke je den su sangma din ya ranja lem be na ani chawad ga du ro.
So that's called reuptake.
Cheza ani di je de su ranja ling yo sonza di mingla challenge yores.
The next one
Nyo di
is called diffusion. Rather, it can just diffuse away from the area of the dendrite.
cheza nyo de chamje le sam khalar la be na ani tanda nelen thabung di gi nyandam la ma de che ne shembal pha tham chim be na ani ya digal ko de chawad yung marwas.
And the third way
Somebody
is with an enzyme. An enzyme can break apart this chemical into two different chemicals so that it won't fit into the receptor of the dendrite.
cheza somebody khares la na ani minje se adi ani je chik mingre enzyme se do kunzu khachi lega khala na tobya da thaya din rik lega ro cheza din zama del yobe ki ani je din zo ko ki theje tub che ani chashi chunju so sha na ani del yobe ki ani nelen thabu de zo da dewa me go digan tu ma do chai ro cheza ya la ya chawa din ga du res.
And what's very interesting is that in nature, nature has chemicals that affect the neurotransmitter mechanism that we just described.
cheza da yam se ji la standa ga zo wang zin timba se je ke je she so cheza dila ani shujin chini ya mena dila ani no yon tep chuni ki da rangjung kuryuk nanglo la je mangbo shiu ji res.
So, for example, this animal, we don't have. Do we have cobras in these cobras in
India,
India?
yes.
We have these in India.
cheza de cobra ga na ga zo yoro
The toxin in a cobra blocks the receptors on muscles that use a particular chemical.
cheza da cobra sia dini any union ki thush do thuk je digi khachi gres labin bena tanda wanze timba ke nanglo ne any shegu da any shegu la kuma chin ki wanze timba jorwa chiza di any le ma chu chi kai gres
And so that prevents muscles from contracting.
chiza da di ka so na khachi gre shegu du ya ma gu ju ta me gyo chai ro
I don't know if this is a black widow spider. Do they have these here?
we have spiders but I don't know
This one we have in the United States. It's called a black widow spider.
chiza da di khares la me na ari nang yo ba do ye me ha ko ma sun ko dom bare ki rik chira ba chik chag yo res
And what the toxin in the spider does is it causes a massive release of one particular kind of chemical.
chiza ane dom bara dini yo me ki ane thuk di ki khachi gres la be na wanze timba chira ba rik chik ane mangbo shu ane che me wa chi lo ju yo res
This animal is a pufferfish,
chiza da di ya purple fish like nya ji res
and the toxin in a pufferfish blocks the sodium channels on that neuron membrane.
chiza ko an nanglo yo be ki thuk di ki je di ki khachi gres la na ane thanji sodium ya ma do se ki ane gebo ji yo chiza ondi ka she res
So, if sodium channels are blocked, what happens to the action potential?
kesi ane sodium ki ane god zo ka bim be na ane chile ni zob la khachi gre lok lab khachi gre no action potential
Great, that's right. No action potential. Because if the sodium channels are blocked, sodium can't come into the cell.
chiza ane chile ni zob kora yum maro khachi la na sodium ki jego don zo ka bim be na chilo yo be sodium ni zo thapung nang lo kora zui thu maro
Right? That's how if you eat this fish, it will kill you because your body will no longer make action potentials.
chiza kira nya de sevim be na kira shigre shi goya de kira ane subuk nang lo la chile ni zob se ya de lok lab ko tin thu yo mares
Yet in Japan, they actually eat this fish.
ina japan mi zo nya de sagi yo res
And if it's prepared properly, the toxin can be removed, and it's only found in some parts of the fish.
khajin labim be na ane thu de ane nya de ki subuk ki chashi chira ba khashi nang lo mi shi yo mares chiza di ha ko na ten sha yo res ma
But some people like to have a little bit of the toxin in it because when you eat it, it actually numbs your mouth.
chiza mi khashi ya dino na thu ma che thuk tis chi kang zu ni shag yo res khachi la na ane thuk tis yo ke nya de sebe na kira kele do bir che ane sarwa sarwa shira me gyo cha du yo res
I've never had it.
nga dine samanyus
Scorpions, I know you have here. In fact, somebody showed me a picture last night who found one in his room. Not here.
chiza da di ranya se dro di puranya chiza di kira za gya nang lo mangbu dos chiza da gon chi ki nga korang nang la les la chi par je ton son di du la ni
Has anyone been stung by a scorpion?
di puranya so ya nyu yelas
No?
Yes.
You have, yeah. What scorpion venom does is it blocks potassium channels on nerve cells.
chiza ane ku thu di kharchi res la na ane thanji potassium se je jo ye nang lo ni chilo do ni di lam ga da ka yo res
So what happens to the action potential when potassium channels are blocked?
kisi ane potassium ki dose lam ga no ka wi be na ane chile ni dob kharchi gre ha so khaji gre potassium den zo ane nang lo ni chilo do tu maro nang lo chilo do ma tum na khaji gre no action potential
No action potential?
revelas chile ni dob yo maro lo lap tin tu mare no
Yeah, I think.
they is saying that you can take up sodium in but you cannot
Get the potassium
get the
out.
potassium out.
So here is potassium is coming in, but now because sodium is coming in, but now because potassium channels are blocked, you won't get that decrease because the potassium channels are blocked.
chiza kun thor do ya de duro khajana chilon ya sodium zuli ra ina ta ma phave phab tu gre phab tu maro khajilan ma phawala potassium ma thong ro de phab tu mares
Bees also have some venom that blocks potassium channels.
chiza ane tanda dangzila ya tu yores tu di ge ane dine tanda potassium ki lamga de khalang sam ka res
And does anybody know what animal this is here?
di khare me ha khu duelas ha Maybe no. Maybe a sea animal.
Yeah, it is a sea animal.
So now you need
yeah.
this.
It's a cone snail.
Just that there the snail that is a machala.
It's like a land snail, but this is a cone. It's a marine snail.
Just that there so now the nye che ani gabla ta tung ki the nye so gyawa ki le nye che. Ya snail that is ambala tanda mukwan bu se jo anzo. Mukwa bu gyawa la kur yo the nye so now the nye kirik tinjen chires.
And cone snails, when they can eat fish, they actually have like a harpoon, which is like a spear, that goes out, and the venom blocks calcium channels, which is an ion that I didn't talk about yet.
Just that diki ani tanda budi khachi reslana kunzo nya sai res nya sai ju samba nya khane sai reslana mina korang dene ma ani so ro ji tangche an dung ro ji tangche di dung di ani tsel thu yo res cheza di nya del so ge du samba la ani nya di nang lo ge tanji tanda chedu ani calcium se ajor ya calcium ki chedu ya ma do calcium chedu di tani chedu ni le she nang le she ma so she ma res ta nya chedu shemba jo di lam ga res.
And calcium is very important for causing the neurotransmitters to come out. And so if it's blocked, then calcium won't be able to act and there won't be release of neurotransmitters.
Just that calcium ki chedu de yama do khajin khechim bo chai yores lana ani tanda de nang lo yobe ke tanda je onse timba denzo ma le la yang ko pejo yores cheza ani ko ka sona ani de nang onse timba denzo ma le tu yo mares.
And this is just a small example. There are many other animals that have different toxins that affect the nervous system, as well as plants that also have toxins that have been developed to affect the nervous system.
Just that de khares lana ani nganzu ki wanze ki malala ani shugjen chinye ki ani tu yobe ki simjing ri khashe chek yores di mayin be simjing ri mangbo yore zising ki ri mangbo jila ya ani nganzu wanze malala ani lega cheya kangkin ki ani tu yo dewa yores.
And one other example, unfortunately, humans have also learned about toxins that affect the nervous system.
Cheza tab duwa chila ani tanda midin zu ki ani chikanzu wanze mala ki lega chetan la ani ta kango che ki ani thuk dinde sodan shin yores.
And these are nerve agents which have been banned throughout the world, but there's still a stockpile of much more than we need.
Cheza ta ze den zo khares lawe mena ani wanze mala ki lega kanyin ki ani ze che yor di cheta ani zambling jeje ki tim ko ne ani sodrin che cho yo mar dini mena thando soje nyar denye ani nganzu gongen len hawe ki ta nyar dewa yores.
And these are extremely deadly chemicals.
Cheza an ze den zo sama hansa ki ta nyanga chimbu yo ki ze che yores.
And they work by affecting that breakdown of a neurotransmitter by an enzyme.
Cheza ani tanji tanda ani wanze timba denzo ani minze ke ani thumbu top chepa kha thamju meo sure se ash do cheza di lamga dela ani konju ke la che ju yores.
So in a normal situation, a particular chemical is released
Cheza
here, and it binds to a receptor, and then is broken by an enzyme.
Cheza namgyu imbe na ani denema zech lu res zech raba di ACH the ludu zambala ani ko nelen thabung ki sim soas nelen thabung ki sim je dela minje ki je shemba ji le che ko ko thumbu ni la tang bres cheza ani meo su do.
Nerve agents work by blocking the enzyme.
Cheza dela zambal da dende ki thanda ani thu denzu khachi gres la be bena ani di ki enzyme minje dela jar gyunye di lega da ka yores minje khona minje dela jar che.
So the chemical builds up.
Cheza da minje de medu zamba dinalo yo ze denzu ani meo so ma do che man du yores.
And this causes muscles and glands to become overactive and very tense. And it stops breathing, stops the heart, stops muscles from moving.
Cheza da dinde ze mangbo cha yu zambala ani ze di ki shugyen to ne ani nganzu sugu nanglo riwe shagyu denzo ani kharchi res la mena lega tewa gu yores. Cheza lega tewa gu res du zamba kharchi res na ani sha sama ring doya shagyu sama ani lega ku de khonne ring doya da ning de shagyu ro ani ning di ani parma to ya par sel tewa parya tigana shi ukta mo to ya kangye tia dine chi yores.
And they act very quickly, and you only need a small amount, and they're deadly.
Cheza ani kunzo lega che de gyogbo shiu yore cheza tigana ki kiranzo nanglo lo shugyen tewa che de la kunzo ze di nyunyu mi shi go mares.
And unfortunately, they've been used in a terrorist attack in Tokyo subway, where a little bit of the gas was released and people were killed.
제가 답도 지라 아니 단다 타주 받은 주 제든 페주 진용 요레스 냐마 아니 쪼고요 자빈 기 쪼고요 기 아니 단다 사워 릴릭 낭로 디유체 아니 미망고시 요레스 고주 공알라
And the war that's currently going on in Syria, there's some evidence that the Syrian government has been using these nerve agents on its own people.
제가 디가나시 아니 단다 시리아레 룽바디 낭로라 코란소 타 낭투 쇼데 도아 제가 아니 슝기 아니 단다 세린 라이기 딘데 제디 페주 치체 아니 타 메세 단다 디요레스 게자
And right now, there's some negotiations going on between the United States, Russia is also involved, to get Syria to eliminate their chemical weapons.
제가 다 단데 찰라 아니 우루스레 디가나시 아리콘소 아니 냠도 루루치체 단다 시리아 그 낭로라 아니 딘데 제디 안타 메오소야 콜라 아니 게자시 디요레스
And another case earlier this year was actually in India, not a terrorist attack, but it was the contamination of food for some children by a pesticide that works in exactly the same way as a nerve agent.
제가 다디 달롤 야가 나롤 레스 제가 디 타주베기 아니 돌고 중화 데네다 마레데니 이메나 콘조 슝기 겹수기 칼라지 나롤라 아니 단다 싱갈레 야야기 아니 메인디 루치 미망고 부망고 시소 제가 다디기 아니 단다 싱갈 단다 부세기 메디기 레가치 단디 찍보지겐 디나시 레가치 요레스 단다
And these, some pesticides, they work in the same way as these nerve agents.
제가 딜라 잠발다 딘데 단다 부세기 리 딘데 망보직 아니 단다다 지금 원제 말랄 nø용 당이 두제 딘조 찍보지겐 차기 요레스
So unfortunately, I have to stop at tea time on this unfortunate slide, but I wanted you to make sure that you understood that how some of these agents from animals and some of these agents from humans act to affect the nervous system and neural transmission.
제가 안에 내주 탑교직 토네 콜시에 제 아는 간조 자기 퍼센트 샤오 중소 임베나다 계제 셰고야다 키란소 그 고알렌 고야디 ఖర్చ기 요르슬라비 임베나 아니 딘데 게다지 랑중 쿠르유나 요베케 아니 셈제 망보직 나 요베케 아니 두제 딘조 간조 소갸비웅도 잠발라 아니 간조 키 원제 말라라 아니 nø용 컨데스 지게메 아니 고젠 컨데스 지게메 디 아니 신도 시고야다 차기요스